There are different types of critical to quality. What is a shareholder and all? They will be looking at share price. That is critical to quality for them, no? If you are a shareholder in any bank or in any organization, maybe Wipro, maybe TCS, maybe Apple, maybe Microsoft. If you're a shareholder there, the performance of the share price, the dollar value, all that is critical to quality for them. So those critical to qualities are called marketplace CTQ, the share market, right? Have you heard share market? Yeah. Have you heard of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin? Yeah. All that is very much happening now. Yeah, so that is called marketplace CTQ, critical to quality for marketplace. Business CTQ, what does the business look for? Business wants customer satisfaction. Business also needs to have employee satisfaction. Make sure that the business is very highly productive. Make sure that the employees are working for correct number of hours required. They're not coming in the morning and going off in the afternoon. The logged in hours are good. Profitability is high. All these are called business CTQ. What does the customer want? The customer wants on-time delivery. This will be very something most of you would have heard of, especially manufacturing sector. Students from manufacturing sector, on-time delivery is very important. Then defect level. I want 0 defects. Then net promoter score. What is net promoter score? How many of you know what is net promoter score? The net promoter score. And then they will rate on a scale of 1 to 10. Where 1 being the least likely to promote or 9 and 10 being highly likely to promote. Promote someone means I am supporting you. If I feel NIQC is good, I will tell all my friends. So like that, we will come up with, oh, these are the people who are promoting us. That is net promoter score. Usually the rating is from 1 to 10. 6, 7 and 8 are called passive. I have not made up my mind whether to promote or not to promote. So 6, 7 and 8 are sitting on the fence. 1 to 5 are usually detractors who are not very happy. They are called detractors. Yes, calculation is done as promoters. If you want, you can write it down. Promoters minus detractors by total survey. This is just GK, not for your Six Sigma knowledge, but just so that if somebody asks you, you will know. Promoters minus detractors divided by total surveys done. So if you do 100 surveys, out of that 20 people gave you 8, 9 and 10, they are your promoters. 30 people were passive and 50 people were detractors. So then it is 20 minus 50 by 100. That is how you calculate your net promoter score. Usually you will have at least 70 to 80%. Mostly the target for NPS is usually more than 80%. You need high percentage of people who are saying yes to your product. And absolutely, a good happy customer is a walking advertisement. We have marketplace CTQ, business CTQ, customer CTQ, project CTQ. If you are doing a project, on-time delivery of your project, on-time completion, if you have schedule variance, that is bad. That is bad for you. So schedule variance can be measured as a critical to quality. How many errors were there in your project can be a critical to quality. If it's a software project, it is per line of code. Those who have done software will know. When you code, errors per line of code is a very critical metric. Then how much of effort variance? I said that I need 30 people working for 30 days at 8 hours. But then I found out finally before the end of the project that I needed 40 people working at 10 hours for 50 days. That is effort variance. Quality of the project, how I have delivered the project. Regulatory CTQ. Regulatory is government related CTQ, where government has certain compliance rules, audits, all of that. Not only government, you have audit bodies, compliance bodies, COPC, ISO and all that. So all those compliance audit bodies, they also have certain rules. If you're missing out on that, that is also something which is critical to quality for them. They can become fatal errors and so on.